Welcome to AC Daily, where we're advocating for all and advocating for you. I'm Aaron Dean. More than 100,000 melanomas are estimated to be diagnosed this year, according to the American Cancer Society. While people with darker skin have a lower risk of this skin cancer, research shows it's often not detected and diagnosed until a later stage, which leads to lower survival rates. The Advocate Channel's Mandy Gaither has more.
It's a skin cancer myth experts are trying to debunk. Cancer doesn't only develop on light skin. Anyone can get it, but it may be different on darker skin.
When that melanoma appears, it doesn't really appear in sites that we commonly think where melanoma shows up.
The American Cancer Society says that while melanomas aren't common on darker skin, when they do occur, they may be hard to spot. It can look like this on the sole of feet, or appear under a fingernail or on the palm of a hand. Melanoma can also grow in or near the scalp like this, which is why experts say it's critical to know your skin and watch for changes.
If you're not looking at those places that you don't typically think about, then when the melanoma is caught, it may be more advanced, it can be deeper.
Other skin cancers can look different on darker skin too, including basal cell carcinoma, which might look lighter or darker than the person's usual skin tone. Kaposi sarcoma, it usually appears as tumors on the skin or places like inside the mouth, but can happen on other parts of the body too. And squamous cell carcinoma, most of which can be cured with treatment or minor surgery.
The same concept of looking for something that looks different than everything else that might be in that area, looking for something that's new. And if it's non-healing or bleeding, those are all reasons to bring it to the attention of your healthcare provider.
For Health Minute, I'm Mandy Gaither.
A new study suggests biking may help with knee pain and arthritis. The study, published earlier this month in Medicine and Science in Sports and Exercise, found people who biked at any point in their lives were 17% less likely to develop knee pain. They were also 21% less likely to develop arthritis with pain in the knee joint. The observational study only shows an association between cycling and less pain and joint damage. It does not explain why biking was helpful or how often people should do it. However, the authors believe cycling builds muscles around the knees without putting too much strain on the joints. Well, switching gears, for one girl, the price of ice cream comes with 2 scoops of disgust. The Advocate Channel's Patrick Cornell shows us her outrageous rant, and take a look at this.
There's an ice cream van there selling just 2 ice creams with 2 chewing gums in it for bloody £9 for 2 of them.
In the UK, this little one is not okay with the rising cost of a treat. That's Marnie going viral protesting the price of ice cream as she's just found out the fee for her beloved summer snack shot up, which, check my math, seems to have risen to more than $11 for 2 treats. Dairy not cool.
That is going to get nowhere. The one that comes on my street is either £1 a p or £2. That is going to get nowhere with that.
Honestly, I didn't catch all that, but I agree. Something needs to be done about the price of ice cream. We're with you, Marnie.
And he only does bloody card. Stood there with my cash.
Tough life lessons for Marnie, who doesn't seem to mind if the ice cream vendor catches wind of her tirade.
Yeah, bet he can hear me.
Speaking of snacks, this brazen bear tried to get one via the old 5-finger discount, or paw, whatever, popping open the door and poking its snout around to see what delicacies may lie inside. Shockingly, after moments of searching for morsels of food, the bear seems to simply wander away without taking anything. Homeowners say the animal went to rummage through the garbage instead. How about we wrap with a reminder of the things lurking in the ocean? Scientists caught the rare sight of this deep-sea hooked squid in the South Pacific as the 2.5-foot-long creature wrapped itself around one of the cameras. Researchers say the animal is famous for having 2 large photophores which produce bioluminescent flashes to disorient their prey. The quick glimpse of this squid took place about 1,000 meters below the surface, and with a quick flash, it was gone. For Take a Look at This, I'm Patrick Cornell.
Thank you for joining me for AC Daily. For more content that advocates for you, head over to our YouTube channel and click on that subscribe tab and engage with us on social. You'll find us on Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok. Use @Advocate Channel to join in on the conversation. I'm Aaron Dean.